Here he comes. Ah!
Think they saw you?
Nah.
They might have.
He might have seen my landing pad, though. He's coming around. That's the wrong one. I don't either.
I thought maybe you just going to school for some reason.
Yeah. And we'll get this one up and looking down. Okay.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Check it on the map.
Hello, this is Mr. Kent of MrKent.com, and my sweetie came to the park with me to help me carry everything from the car because I brought my Bebop 2 and my Mavic 2 Zoom, and the purpose is I'm going to follow the Bebop around while it flies a flight plan, if I can keep up, and then I'm going to have the Bebop fly backwards so it can film me as I'm trying to follow it. Now, this is the third try. I came out one day, I tried to do this, and it was a total failure. Everything was just crashed. You know, you load up all of your... by the way, I want to thank my sweetheart for coming to the park with me. I forgot to say that. Anyway, you load up all your gear, carry it out, set it up. You got two drones to set up. And then it doesn't work, so then you pack it up and take it home. And so that was kind of a wasted couple of hours. Actually, it wasn't that long, but it seemed like it. So then the second time, I made some better plans, and I came out, and I actually had a little bit of results. But as you can see, when that thing moves, that's the Bebop. When she moves fast, and so... it's hard to follow. If you've ever tried to follow a drone, you know what I'm talking about. Now, so there's the Bebop looking back toward the Mavic, and there's the Mavic in the Bebop's frame. And then in the big picture, that's the Mavic looking at the Bebop, and the Bebop is looking back at the Mavic. Now, the Bebop is about to start its flight plan. There it goes now. And so it's going to start backing up, and I'm following it with the Mavic. That's the idea, okay? So, why did I make this video? I like a challenge, and this is the third one. The only thing wrong with this video is I wanted to be sure I was able to follow the Bebop while it flew along in front of me backwards, and I wanted a nice blue sky so I could have a background that I could find the contrast of the drone in the sky, if you understand what I'm saying. So it's working out pretty good. The Mavic can see the Bebop just fine, but because the Bebop's at a little higher altitude, If you look in the upper right hand corner, where is the Bebop? Well, it's coming along. It's back there. It seems like it's way back there, but it's actually along where that truck's driving back there. It's about that altitude. And it'll start shooting along here pretty soon. Anyway, it turned out to be a long flight, and my my battery got pretty low in the Mavic. But so I put everything at 5 times speed. And here comes, you can see the Mavic coming up behind the Bebop. He's down there by those trucks, and he'll be catching up here pretty soon. There he is right there, okay? And so as you watch this video, if you watch it, as you watch this video, he's going to be, every time the Bebop turns, the Mavic gets out of the camera, and then I have to swing around and come and find it. So it's kind of a challenge, but actually I made it all the way around, and so I got everything going at 5 times speed now, so it's easier to get the video over with, and also easier to see the Bebop. So anyway, I hope you enjoy it. It was a challenge for me, and I had to figure out a lot more than I knew how to do in order to get the Bebop to look backwards during a flight plan. So enjoy, and thank you for watching, and God bless.